about what you're putting in. All your hopes and efforts are all in vain. Who will pick you up when you've lost everything? Does it all become for granted?
Hi, this is Debbie with Food Prepping Channel, and guess what, y'all? It's time to check out these refrigerator pickles. I have not opened them yet, and it has been, what's today? It's been 11 days. I should have already opened them, and I didn't. I'm terrible. But I'm going to go on and I'm going to put some, well, I'm going to try to open them. Alright, I gotta smell them. Well, they smell good. They really do smell like dill pickles. Alright, I'm gonna put some on in my bowl, because we're just tasting these. And this is the bowl that had these are the skinny ones. The very first jar that I canned had the really skinny pickles, where I used what did I use? The chopper, and it just made them real little. Alright, so let me give Teresa some, because she's gonna let us know how she feels too on these. Alright, now this is the thin ones. You can see there. Alright, and mine has got a big piece of dill on it, and I don't want that, but what kind of vinegar did I put in here? White? Well, these are really, no sugar. These are really strong, I think. Do you think so?
I think so. They're good.
Yeah, they are good. But they definitely have that vinegar taste. So I'm going to taste these. And then I'm going to open a can of the ones that are thicker. And we're going to check and see. I bet those will not be as strong as these, because these are so thin. But you can see that it's got the peppercorns right there. And it's got dill right there, because these were so thin. Alright, now wow. See, I put some dill in there. I don't know, y'all.
Are these the ones with that you made spicy?
To me, these are spicy too. I don't think so. I don't see any
down at the bottom, maybe.
Oh, I may have put some red pepper flakes in these, so they may be a little spicy. I do kind of like my pickles a little spicy. All right, now here's the thicker ones right here, and there's a piece of dill on that. All right, so let me taste these. Get you some of these. just use that. It's got vinegar in it, so it's not gonna.
What do you think about it?
These are not as good to me as the little ones. I mean, they're good.
I think I like these better.
Do you? I knew you probably would. On some things we think exactly alike, and on some things we think totally opposite.
These aren't as... The vinegar doesn't seem like it's just as twangy as the other.
All right. All right, I just ate one of these again, y'all. All right, now I'm going to eat one of the bigger ones.
I think the thin ones have more bite to them than the other ones.
Yeah, I think that's why I like them. These are hotter.
A little bit.
These are really hot. Oh, gotta get something to drink, y'all. Hold on. Whoa, that was really hot. Maybe I should have made some sweeter. I really don't like sweet pickles, but maybe I would have if I'd have made my own and put a little bit of sugar in these. They're worth making, y'all. They really are. I think that they're, if you've got cucumbers, if you got the English cucumbers or your cucumbers in your, from your garden, these would definitely be, would I make 4? I made 4 quarts of them. These were the real skinny ones. This is just really about a half one. The pickles right there. Down here is the juice or whatever. And I guess I did put too much dill weed or whatever in there. But these are good, y'all. They really are. This would be good in, wow, it'd be good in potato salad. It'd be good on hamburgers. A lot of things that these would be good on. And from what I can understand, these last for a long time. Because they're not sealed, and they're just cod refrigerator pickles, and they last for a long time. So I just wanted y'all to see, so you know, told y'all that I'd come back and let you know, and I did. I wanted y'all to see how they tasted, and they really are good. Do you like them?
I like them a lot. I think they'd be good as a snacking pickle, just to sit and snack on.
Well, yeah, that's what we're doing right now.
I mean, I don't. It doesn't matter. I wouldn't have to put them on anything. It'd be.
Yeah, that's true. I mean, you don't. Just to sit and eat them like this it is good. Okay, y'all. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Look below for links to my Facebook, my Twitter, and to my Instagram. And also, there's links below to different things that you can purchase at Amazon that I use in my kitchen, or you might want to use in your kitchen. And I hope that y'all have a good weekend, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.